Hello tubes. Today's video is going to be replacing the gas struts on this my wife's Honda Odyssey. What happens is here it's hard to pull up, and then now it won't stay up by itself anymore. So I ordered some new struts off of Amazon. They're less than 30. They're about 20 bucks, 25 bucks for a pair. Whereas at the dealer, you buy one of them, it's like 40 bucks. So let's get started. From what I know, I've never done this before, but what I've gathered is only tool you need is a flathead screwdriver to use as a prying device. Let me get the camera stand tripods set up. For reasons, I have covered my plate. To get started, first thing you need is a ladder to prop open the liftgate. There we go. Now, let me get my screwdriver. Now we see here. Let me see if I can get you to see it. Here we use a flathead screwdriver to remove this. Once you've loosened this clip out, you can then just pull it out. And you'll do something similar up here with this strap here, and this just pops out. Here is the old strut. Let me go get my new ones. This is the new strut. It's from Arana or whatever. And just kind of check. Yeah, it's the same size. The strut part here is, this part here in the center is a little bit smaller. But it's, let's see how this goes. Putting in the new strut is just a matter of snapping that in and snapping it in up there. This is very important. You put the bottom on first, then the top. Otherwise, it makes it really difficult to put on. Put the top one on, just snaps in. Now the bottom one, you might have to push the top, this gate up high as you can to get it to go on. And then you push it on the same way. Repeating the process for the other side. On the other side, we're gonna pry this clip out here, pry that clip out there, and this just pops out. You just need a flathead screwdriver. Popping in the new ones, this part here just snaps into that. It's really simple. It looks like it's working to me. Let me just close it and open it. Okay, now I'm gonna open it. Good as new. I will post a link to where I purchased these struts on Amazon. There is also directions on the outside of the package. Later tubes.